The F-117 Nighthawk is a stealth fighter aircraft that was developed by the United States Air Force in the 1970s and 1980s. Its creation was a highly classified project, known as the Have Blue program, and its existence was not publicly acknowledged until 1988. The need for a stealth aircraft emerged in the 1970s as radar technology became more advanced. Traditional aircraft designs were easily detected by radar, making them vulnerable to anti-aircraft defenses. The U.S. Air Force began exploring ways to create an aircraft that could evade detection by radar, which led to the initiation of program in 1974. The Have Blue program was a highly classified project that aimed to create a proof-of-concept aircraft that could demonstrate the feasibility of stealth technology. The program was run by the Lockheed Skunk Works division and was divided into two phases. The first phase involved the construction of two prototype aircraft, which were designated as the Have Blue 1001 and Have Blue 1002. The prototypes were built using unconventional materials and techniques, such as radar-absorbing composites and manual shaping of the aircraft's surfaces. They also featured a distinctive faceted design with sharp angles and flat surfaces, which helped to deflect radar waves away from the source. The second phase of the Have Blue program focused on refining the design of the prototypes and testing new technologies. This led to the development of the F-117 Nighthawk, which was larger and more advanced than the prototypes. The F-117 featured a distinctive triangular shape with sharp angles and flat surfaces. The aircraft's surfaces were coated with a radar-absorbing material, and its engines were shielded to reduce its infrared signature. The F-117 also featured advanced avionics and weapon systems, including laser-guided bombs and precision-guided missiles. The F-117 entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 1983 and was initially used for reconnaissance and precision strike missions. Its first combat mission occurred during the 1989 U.S. invasion of Panama, where it was used to attack military targets in Panama City. The F-117 achieved its most significant success during the Gulf War in 1991. Where it flew over 1,300 missions and struck targets in Iraq with great accuracy. The F-117 remained in service with the U.S. Air Force for over 2 decades before being retired in 2008. Its stealth capabilities were later incorporated into the design of the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, which are currently in service with the U.S. military. In conclusion, the creation of the F-117 Nighthawk was a highly classified project that aimed to develop a stealth aircraft capable of evading radar detection. The Have Blue program resulted in the creation of two prototype aircraft, which were used to develop the F-117. The aircraft's distinctive faceted design and advanced avionics and weapon systems made it a valuable asset in combat, and it served the U.S. Air Force for over 2 decades before being retired.